Alright, it's time for some trig, you guys. The first thing we're going to do is talk about radian and degree measure. What is trigonometry, you may be asking? Well, in Greek it means the measurement of triangles. There are a few things we need to recall from geometry. The first thing is what an angle is. An angle is determined by rotating a ray about its endpoint. The initial side of the angle is the starting position of the ray, the terminal side is the position after rotation, and the vertex is the endpoint of the ray. Here's a picture demonstrating those things that we just talked about. A few more things to recall. An angle in standard position is when the vertex is the origin. Positive angles move counterclockwise, negative angles move counterclockwise, and coterminal angles have the same initial and terminal sides. In this example, angle A is positive, angle B is negative. They are coterminal and they are both in standard position. What is a degree? If you're thinking it's something you learned in geometry, you're correct. Remember, there are 360 degrees in a circle. Thus, half of a circle is 180 degrees, and a fourth of a circle is 90 degrees. Well, then what is a radian? 1 radian is the measure of a central angle that intercepts an arc S equal in length to the radius r of the circle. If the definition was hard for you to understand, check out this picture and see if it helps. Remember, there are 360 degrees in a circle. There are also 2 pi radians in a circle. Therefore, 360 degrees is 2 pi radians, 180 degrees is pi radians, and 90 degrees is pi over 2 radians. How do you convert between degrees and radians? If you're going from degrees to radians, you'll multiply your degrees by pi over 180. If you're going from radians to degrees, you'll multiply your radians by 180 over pi. Let's try this example. How many radians is 135 degrees? Well, you'll multiply 135 by pi over 180 to get 3 pi over 4 radians. How about 540 degrees? It would be 3 pi radians. How about going from radians to degrees? Let's try negative pi over 2 radians and convert it to degrees. When we multiply negative 2 pi by 180 over pi, we get negative 90 degrees. How about 2 radians? We get 360 over pi, which is approximately 114.59 degrees.